Hello everyone, I hope you've been practicing your print statements and calculations. Today, we're going to talk about Python comments. Comments are lines of text in your code that Python ignores. We use them to explain code, make it readable, or prevent execution when testing. Comments start with a hash symbol. Python will ignore everything after it. See? The comment doesn't appear in the output. You can also place comments at the end of a line. Python executes the code, but ignores the comment after the hash. Comments aren't just for explanations. You can use them to stop Python from running specific lines of code. This is great for testing. Python doesn't have a specific syntax for multi-line comments. The standard way is to insert a hash for each line you want to comment out. Alternatively, you can use a multi-line string with triple quotes. As long as it's not assigned to a variable, Python will ignore it, acting like a comment. Now it's your turn. Open PyCharm. I want you to write a print statement and then add a comment above it explaining what it does. 10 seconds. Go. Did you do it? Simply add a hash symbol and write your text. It's a good habit to document your code. Great job today. Review this chapter and keep practicing. Join me in the next episode titled Python Variables. See you there.